Ka Public Accounts Committee jong ka ying dor bar thau an ka jela menta ka sngi ka Leit ban Jurip bat shong bishar Halor ka Rukom Pyntreikam ya ka Meghalaya Health Insurance Scheme Mhis ha ki South League Hospital bapau kanong ba Shillong. Ya kini ka jing Jurip la pelong nadu ka Civil Hospital Shillong, Ganesh Das Hospital, North Eastern Indira Gandhi Regional Institute of Health and Medical Science, bat kumjo ah Supercare Hospital. Ka PAC kala shongru igajingelang bishar kam bat Khubor peniyat kumju bikinong tre jung gini kijaka sumar banyo jing tip bat kijing shai ha ka be day bat kate kijing Pyntreikam ya ka scheme a jing sumar. Ka kenhun ka kentup ya ka MLA ka ampati kum ka chairperson Kamiani Dishira kat ba ki dukot ki kentup yu Dr. Celestine Lingdo MLA ba Bright Starwell Marbanyang MLA Rupa M Marak MLA bat unong aibut ka PAC ba HM Shangpliang.
Today we are going to be reviewing the Meghalaya Health Insurance Scheme in convergence with the Pradhan Jan Arogya Yojana.
7,271. Financing money under NHIS. So things like, for example, which is for IPD and daycare is 5 lakh.
Sometimes some sophisticated investigation. We are reviewing all of these issues today as a committee. So the fact that we have so many poor patients.
I am prescribed. Tomorrow morning again, I go for wrong. These medicines which I write, which
That's what I want. Because it becomes easier.
Also making new
Hello, how many people you got today?
Hospitals in Khasinews and
Now we got about to increase this number. In 18 departments. 18 departments we were just recently certified.
Long time ago you came.
Yes.
60-70% of our patients come under insurance schemes, majority of them being MHIs and all. So most of the common social materials we
You will get the experience. That MRT should be secret outside.
we will give them network. We will give them NK network.
They get to see the fingerprint. As for us, it doesn't look.
When it comes to enrolling, because we have for giving us the opportunity to serve the people of
The hospital so the idea of visiting a private hospital is to have. So today the Public Accounts Committee had a site visit in different hospitals to review the MHIS scheme being implemented on the ground. So we went to Civil Hospital Shillong, Ganesh Das Hospital, Negrims, and then finally we visited Supercare Hospital. The idea of the site visit today was to get detailed information about the challenges and the problems being faced within the hospitals while implementing the scheme. Now, on paper, it looks picture perfect, but when you go on the ground, there are a lot of challenges that the hospitals and the managements are facing. Our aim is to give smooth services for the people of Meghalaya, for the patient parties, so that they can claim the insurance with little to minimal hassles involved. Therefore, we have gone to all these different hospitals be it government hospital or NEHU being a central government hospital and a private hospital, to understand the different kind of challenges faced by different types of hospitals. So we have been told of different types of challenges that different hospitals are facing right now while implementing the MHI scheme. So we have discussed at length. We have noted quite a number of points. So from the PAC, we will be recommending few points so that the department can implement few of our recommendations for smoother implementation of MHI.